Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix create cutout sticker not showing on Instagram. So if you want to create sticker from someone post, it's very easy. Just tap three dot at the top of someone post and see if there is a create a cutout sticker. It means this post a available or enabled to create a cutout sticker from it. If you don't have this option, it means you have to update your Instagram. So let's go back. You can discard and close the Instagram, and now you can access Play Store or App Store. Here you can search for your Instagram and tap on Instagram app, and here as you can see I already updated, so there is no update button. If you there is still update button, please update it. Your Instagram app have to keep up to date in order to add or enjoy new some features, and also fix some bugs, minor issues. And last update on 10 December on my device, and this is the version. So after the update, you please hold Instagram application icon in order to go to the application info. Here you can tap on storage usage and try to clear some cache. And also you can consider to clear your data, but you need to re-log in. After log in to your Instagram, now try to create your own story first and see if this the sticker create sticker filter is showing up. By tap sticker filter at the top of your screen and try to search the cutouts, this one with the sizer icon. Now you can choose the image that you want to create stickers, and let the sticker create automatically for first time. And here if you don't satisfy, you can select manually and wait the process. And now sticker is created, and you can tap on use sticker in order to save it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.